Hello, this is Floyd from MarathonRecords.com with an IOLTA account fast fact. Protecting confidential information. More to consider than just the rules of professional conduct. IOLTA account records may contain confidential information. The rules of professional conduct address confidential information. Every lawyer is responsible for knowing their own state's rules of professional conduct. Some ABA model rules and corresponding state rules to consider are 1.1 Competence, 1.6 Confidentiality of information, and Rule 4.4 Respect for rights of third persons. Cloud computing, storing information, has been the subject of many recent ethics opinions. Almost universally, they state that a reasonable care standard applies to the lawyer selecting a service and protecting the confidential information. A lawyer must comply with state law for protecting confidential information. Often these state laws have a higher standard and are more draconian if confidential information is leaked. To be clear, a lawyer must be compliant with both the rules of professional conduct and state law. Two examples of state laws: California and Massachusetts. California SB 1386, Personal Information, Privacy, and Massachusetts General Law Chapter 93H, and the corresponding 201 CMR 17.00, Standards for the Protection of Personal Information of Residents of the Commonwealth. The California law states that it applies to all state agencies, people, or businesses that conduct business in the state of California, whereas the Massachusetts law and regulation applies to all persons that own or license personal information about a resident of the Commonwealth. California lists examples of personal information as Social Security number, driver's license number, or California identification card number, account number, credit or debit card number in combination with any required security code, access code, or password that would permit access to an individual's financial account. The Massachusetts regulation cites examples of personal information as a Massachusetts resident's first name and last name, or first initial and last name in combination with any one or more of the following data elements that relate to such resident: Social Security number, driver's license or state-issued identification card number, financial account number or credit or debit card number with or without any required security code, access code, personal identification number, or password that would permit access to a resident's financial account. Each state has their own law and/or corresponding regulation with its own nuances. A lawyer is responsible for knowing both the rules of professional conduct and the state law that applies to protecting confidential information. Lists of ethics opinions about the standard of care for cloud computing or storing data off-site are listed on the website www.marathon-records.com. For this and other IOLTA resources, and IOLTA One, a complete, easy-to-use bookkeeping system for IOLTA and real estate escrow accounts, go to www.marathon-records.com or visit us on Twitter @MarathonRecords. Thank you.